In the year 1500, Europe began a new era of discovery and change. Explorers found new sea routes, and Spain and Portugal built vast overseas empires. Soon, England and other nations joined the race for wealth and power. Colonies brought riches like gold, spices, and new goods, fueling trade and capitalism. At home, kings grew stronger, forming powerful centralized states. But Europe was also divided by religion. The Protestant Reformation shattered the Catholic Church's unity, leading to decades of conflict. The 30 Years' War, 1618 to 1648, devastated the continent, leaving millions dead. Amid the chaos, a scientific revolution was born. Copernicus, Galileo, and Newton challenged old beliefs and laid the foundation of modern science. By 1700, Europe had transformed through exploration, war, and new knowledge, setting the stage for the modern world.